Dr. Eugene sekarang dah memeluk agama Islam. So ada tak apa kebaikan lepas convert?
Of course, for me, sebelum macam I cakap tadi, sebelum ni, I Buddhist. I don't even practice as a Buddhist. Tapi sekarang bila I dah convert, I actually practice, adalah agama dalam hidup. Previously, ada agama tapi macam tak ada agama. Now, I feel I have a religion in my life. I actually practice the praying 5 times a day, the solat 5 waktu tu, apa semua. So, I think that make me a better person. Because one thing that is lacking in my life, all this while, is actually agama. Kalau you nak cakap pasal status pendidikan kan, macam tahap pendidikan apa semua, yes, I have that. You want to talk about family yang complete, yes, I have that. You nak cakap pasal rezeki, I also have that. You know, the only thing that I'm always lacking in my life, I think for me would be having a very at least I wouldn't say strong religion lah, tapi at least ada panduan hidup. You know, agama sebagai panduan hidup. Everybody should have a religion in life lah. Doesn't matter if you're a Buddhist, you're a Christian, or even you're a Muslim lah actually.